TikTok Streak Pet Evolution Explained. I'll show you how to evolve your pet on TikTok. Now, here is an example of your TikTok Streak Pet. So, in order to actually get this is actually a gamified feature inside TikTok's Friends tab. It rewards users for consistent interaction, like sending messages and opening chats with cute animated pet like Tommy or Luna. So the evolution works by getting a pet by going to your inbox and then chatting with a friend. If you're eligible, TikTok will suggest activating the streak pet and you can choose your friend to start a streak with. Just maintain the streak daily, and each consecutive day that you and your friend open the chat, your streak number increases and your pet starts to grow or evolve based on that number. So pet evolves at key milestones. So on streak day evolution, the stage 1 has baby pet. Day 3 to 5, it starts tramping and reacting. Day 7 to 10, it grows legs and start dancing. Day 15, the pet becomes bigger and cuter with unique animations. And day 30 plus, it has a golden or super pet icon. So this means that the longer streak, the more evolved the animated pet will be. Make sure as well to don't break the streak, because if you miss a day, your streak resets to zero and your pet returns to the baby stage. So some users report different pets evolve differently and evolution is visual only and you don't get extra awards yet. So feature is still rolling out, so not all users have it. So if your region doesn't have it, that means you won't have it as well. So pro tip to keep your streak safe, turn on chat notifications and always open the message. Just typing isn't needed. So that's how you know everything about the TikTok Streak Pet evolution. Hope we helped.